Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will share with you how to get your whole face done easily, especially for someone who likes wearing makeup every day. You know you won't have much time on your side, or you don't always have much time on your side, so these techniques will make you to be faster while doing your makeup in the morning before going out. Okay, so I'm starting out by brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie. Start drawing. I'm using this pencil from Essence. Make sure you sharpen your pencil properly. I'm gonna start by drawing our eyebrows. Take it up. And then now we fill it in. Just fill it in lightly. Don't put too much pressure on the pencil. So at this point, you see this area doesn't have enough hair. So I'm just gonna go in with the black pencil and just fill in, fake in some hair at this point. I'm gonna take the spoolie, just go ahead and brush. So now I'm gonna go ahead to clean with concealer. I'm using this one from Mary Kay. This is from Mary Kay. Now I just start to clean the bottom part of my eyebrows with this lighter shade concealer. I do the same thing on the other side, then I tap just to blend it in before I move on to the top part. On the top part of my brows, I use a concealer shade that is very close to my skin tone. Now we'll move on to applying the eyeshadow. I use the remaining lighter shade concealer on as my eyeshadow base, and then yeah, I'm going in with this mini palette from MKM, guys. I just want something very simple. Like I told you, we are doing a simple everyday makeup look, so I'm just using this purple, and then in front I'm using orange mixed with a little bit of gold on my crease. So guys, I'm going in to line my eyes with this liquid eyeliner still from Clicks, and then I line the bottom of my waterline with this pencil from Hanon. I'm going in with Cetaphil sunscreen and primer from Fit Me. My mascara is from Hanon, guys. This mascara is giving. I don't first of all have natural eyelashes, so this one really, if mine can show, that means the mascara is really good. And I go in with this Maybelline Infallible foundation. Oh, it's always good to place your foundation with a brush or something before you tap it in with the concealer blending brush, or with the foundation blending brush, sorry. Okay, up tap. I don't have to drag, guys, like I always say. Now we're highlighting our under eyes and any point that needs to be highlighted with this lighter shade concealer. And to highlight my nose line, I use my little finger to highlight it. I use this Fit Me powder to place on my highlighted points, and then we'll go ahead to contour the rest of our face. To contour your hairline, you need to send the product backward so that it should blend in with your hairline. Now to contour the nose, guys, you need to do straight lines. Make sure that the lines are straight, so that, because if they're not straight, they will change the shape of your nose. Then I place this powder, this loose powder, to sit here while I finish the rest of my face before I blend it in. With that, you not have to sweat, or it will not melt on that area by the end of the day. So I place this concealer before my lipstick to make sure that it lasts longer. Always use the base for your lipstick so that it should last longer or last whole day. I go ahead to stick on my lashes. It's up to you. I could still go without, but if you like lashes, you can do it. So this is the finished look. My setting spray is 3-in-1 from Essence. So guys, this is just me, and I hope you love the look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Until next time, guys, see you. Bye.